Have you ever wondered how fish can live in an aquarium? How does a fish tank stay clean and clear? Fish aquariums are small ecosystems. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things in a specific area. A beach is an ecosystem. A forest is an ecosystem. An ecosystem can even exist under a rock. How does an ecosystem work in a fish aquarium? First, let's look at some organisms that can live in an aquarium. Fish are the most obvious creatures in an aquarium. Fish are called consumers. Consumers are living things that can't make their own food and must eat other living things. Another organism that can live in an aquarium is a plant. Plants are a very beneficial part of an aquarium. Plants provide food for fish and supply oxygen to the water. Plants are called producers. Producers are living things that can make their own food. Fish and plants create waste that would kill them if they were not removed from the water. Decomposers to the rescue! Decomposers are living things that feed on waste and dead plants and animals. Snails are decomposers. Other decomposers called bacteria also eat the waste and return nutrients to the water. Bacteria are microscopic and live in the water and gravel of an aquarium. Now, let's look at how energy flows through an ecosystem. Energy flows through an ecosystem by way of food chains. A food chain is a series of organisms that depend on one another for food. Let's look at a food chain in a fish aquarium. Plants use energy from light to make their own food. Plants provide food for fish. Fish waste provides food for bacteria. Bacteria provides nutrients for plants. Ecosystems can be affected by many different factors. Change in temperature or light, lack of water or nutrients, or an increase in one type of organism can upset the balance of the food chain. If one source is eliminated, that in turn will affect other organisms. These factors need to be considered when setting up a fish aquarium. Luckily, we can help the ecosystem of a fish aquarium and supply elements that may be missing. We can regulate the temperature with the help of an aquarium heater. We can provide food if no plants are present. We can provide oxygen with a pump to create water movement. We can keep the water clean and crystal clear with a filter and water changes. In conclusion, an ecosystem consists of producers, consumers, and decomposers. These living things create a food chain that can be affected by change. A fish aquarium is an ecosystem you can enjoy in your own home or classroom. Now that you know how an ecosystem works, have fun creating one.